Introducing Solufam's transparent LED film display. It is a modularized product by attaching a LED to a transparent electrode film and cutting it at an appropriate pitch and area. It is a new type of transparent media medium that displays media facades, media art advertisements, landscape lighting, and information on transparent glass indoors and outdoors. 10 characteristics of transparent LED film display. First, attach the film directly to the glass. The appearance of attaching a transparent LED film to the glass. Second, the film is flexible. Applying film to curved glass. Third, high aperture ratio. Fourth, install by tiling the film. Azerbaijan Baku International Airport railing. Fifth, the film is cut and used. Sixth, the film is very thin and light. One film weighs 370 grams and is 1 millimeter thick. 7. Modular design. Compact structure, easy to install, very easy to repair, and stable operating system. 8. It is stable to temperature and ultraviolet rays. Indoor and outdoor installation is possible. No thermal deformation, no yellowing. Ninth, the brightness is bright. Last, 10th, low cost. Low installation costs, low repair cost, high energy efficiency. Thank you.